This is my Wally slot car that I made for a competition for the WDI slot car challenge a couple years ago. Had an Arduino beneath the platform controlling the movement of the servos. I won the first race, but the other two I lost pretty badly. So originally this was going to have fans. That's why I'm using the relays to trigger the lights, because they were going to make little pieces of tissue blow. But unfortunately the fans didn't blow enough, so I ended up just leaving the LEDs in. So the overkill of the relays running the LEDs that's why. This whole foam enclosure sat over my computer, and I used an Xbox controller with a Unity app to control Wally and Eve flying around on the screen, as well as the lights. The lights were triggered through the Arduino, just communicating through a serial port. And this was the inspiration for it. It's this cool little Wally toy. Thanks for watching.